Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So if you're here today, you have to like tea like I do. And tea is amazing. Tea is there for almost every occasion that you need it there for. There's so many different flavors, so many different options. And today we'll be here to unbox my Plum Deluxe bag. And I got this free for review, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, we're gonna try some. We're actually gonna steep some, and we're gonna try it. So if you'd like to see what came in my Plum Deluxe bag, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Alrighty, so this is Plum Deluxe. You can get it in a monthly subscription, or you can just buy from their store, I believe. Fresh, organic, and fair trade. PlumDeluxe.com. Thank you. We appreciate you. Tea, like life, is all in how you make it. So here are a few tips on how to make a great cup of tea. 1. Put the kettle on. You want a full boil for black teas, oolongs, and herbals, less than boiling for green and white teas. 2. Add 1 teaspoon of tea leaves to your tea infuser and place in your favorite mug. Pour approximately 8 ounces of hot water over top and steep according to the instructions on your packet of tea. Then add milk or sweetener to your liking or not and enjoy. You can save 20% on your next order plus free shipping forever. Join our Tea of the Month Club, and it's just $10 a month. $10 a month. How unbelievably, I mean, I don't want to say cheap, but oh my gosh. So it's a plumdeluxe.com/tea. Yum. Okay, I'm so excited. Keep smiling. Adorable. Okay, so we have 3 different ones. There's a lot that comes in these bags for $10 a month. Okay, so I have my little tea infuser guy. He's a little like scuba diver type guy. This is Huckleberry Happiness Black Tea. The most cheerful berry blend you'll find. Black tea, elderberries, aronia berries, black currants, blueberries, hibiscus, cornflowers, huckleberry essence, love, gratitude. It has caffeine. Steep 1 teaspoon in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Can you guys see how beautiful that is? That's so pretty, and that sounds amazing. So, for you guys that don't know, I was born and raised in Montana, so huckleberry hits home for me. Yum. Okay. And then we have banana bread dessert. Incredibly delicious, celebrate life. Honeybush tea, cocoa nibs, cinnamon, apple pieces, calendula, banana chestnut essence, love, gratitude. No caffeine. Steep 1 teaspoon in boiling water for 4 to 6 minutes. So this is just a really good, dessert tea. Delicious sounding, right? Okay, and then we have one more. This is the Red Velvet Pure Desert Tea. Chocolatey deliciousness in your cup. Pure tea, cocoa peel, cocoa nib, beetroot pieces, blackberry leaves, chocolate essence. Love, gratitude, and has caffeine. Steep 1 teaspoon in boiling water for 3 to 6 minutes. And that does look like it would be chocolatey. I think we're going to go for the chocolate one. I'm so excited, you guys. How amazing is this subscription? Honestly, so affordable. Extremely affordable. $10 a month? Wow. I'm shocked. I'm blown away. So blown away. Oh my gosh. That smells divine. Okay, Mr. Scuba Diver, you gotta open up now. It's time to have some tea. This guy's so cool because here's like my little teaspoon right here. You just dip his head in the bag. Get a little scoop. Aw, I almost said, yeah, score, no mess. But I did drop a couple of pieces, which is okay. That's fine. Like so. Seal this bad boy up. I love how their bags are resealable. Oh, and that's some thick plastic, so that'll keep that good for quite a while. Okay. And then here's our tea. I've already added sugar and honey. And then we're going to steep this one for 3 to 6 minutes. Okay, you guys. So, I need to know. What is your guys' favorite teas? And do you have favorite teas for different times of the day? So, like, I used to be a really big coffee drinker. And so, I like to drink my, like, the Earl black teas. So, like, this Huckleberry Happiness black tea would be perfect for me in the morning. Like, tomorrow morning is when I will be drinking this tea. Absolutely. That's lovely. And then, how do you guys feel about teas that don't have caffeine? Do you like drinking teas just because they taste delicious? Do you like drinking teas because they're good for you? Or do you like drinking teas for their different healing properties? So when Zach was just really sick with his sinus infection, I gave him mint tea and peppermint tea. And that really helped him sleep for the night and clear him up. I've looked into other tea boxes, but they're just so expensive. Like, I couldn't bring myself to spend that much on tea. But I cannot wait to taste this. I'll tell you guys exactly what I think about their quality. You guys know, just because I'm sent something for free for review doesn't mean I'm not going to give you my honest opinion. Because I would hope that everybody else would do the same for me. And also, let me know if you've ever, like, wanted to start drinking tea, but didn't because you just didn't know how to, like, do it. Because I didn't know there was as much that goes into making tea as there is. As many different kinds of teas, different ways to make those teas, different ways to drink those teas. Oh my gosh, it smells like chocolate. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I just love how pretty they can be. So like this one that has like the little blue flowers in it. That is so pretty. And the fact that you get to drink that is so awesome. Plus, it's just such a relaxing type vibe. Like being able to sit here and hold a hot cup of tea. There's the aroma of it. It's relaxing. I'm sitting in my car with a hot cup of tea, talking to you guys, hanging out with that low voice. It just calms you down. And you just feel like for a second, you're alone in the world. And all there is you and your thoughts. Okay, I gotta give it a little taste. It's a little early, but I have to taste it. Oh my God. You guys. Which one is this? The Red Velvet Pure Dessert Tea. So it's not called pure. I'm going to have to Google and look up what this actually means. but it's Puerh. Pure dessert tea. It tastes just like freaking red velvet cake. I'm not even kidding. Wow. One more. I'm in heaven. I'm in tea heaven right now. That blows my mind. So I did look on their website. They have a ton of options. They have a tea for every type of tea drinker out there. It is amazing. So I will be sure to leave their link down below in the description for you guys to go and check them out for yourself. It's not an affiliate link. I don't have an affiliate link. And I just wanted to give you guys my honest opinion on these teas. And wow, I'm blown away. These are amazing. Please let me know down below what you guys think. And be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm back. So I did make a little bit of a boo-boo. Turns out I do have an affiliate link, which I'm going to leave that down below in the description. Be sure to click on that. Go check it out and fall in love as I did. Love you guys.